Welcome to BuildMyChecks, a simple digital platform that helps businesses replace paper checklists with powerful digital checks. BuildMyChecks is designed to make safety, compliance, and operational checks easy to create, complete, and manage. In this channel, you'll find step-by-step guides showing you how to get started, from creating your account and managing users, to building checks, scheduling inspections, and viewing reports. We'll show you how to control access, manage assets, organize your system with folders, and ensure checks are completed on time with schedules and approvals. Whether you're managing health and safety, manufacturing, construction, facilities, or transport operations, BuildMyChecks gives you clear records, full audit trails, and total confidence. Subscribe for new tutorials and updates, and let's get started. Build checks once. Conduct them everywhere. Subscribe for more tutorials.